Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an AutoCAD file into Fusion 360 as a DWG file format or a DXF file format. Okay, so let's get to it. So I want to I want to import this into Fusion 360 as a DWG file format. So I'm going to have to go to File menu. I'm going to select Save As. I'm going to save as a DWG file format. Okay. I'm going to go to my desktop and save it there, okay? So I'm gonna select save, and I'm gonna select update relative paths recommended, okay? Now I'm gonna go to Fusion 360, show data panel, upload, select files, and I'm gonna select the file right here. Select open, select upload. Now the file is being uploaded. I have a status bar right here. The bigger the file is, the longer it's gonna take to upload in Fusion 360, okay? Okay, status complete. So I'm gonna close this window. So you have the file right here. But you see, I'm getting some of the stuff. Okay, so let me right click, open. Now I got a bunch of sketches that I don't want. Okay, this right here, all of this, it's gonna slow down Fusion 360. So um, I gotta zoom in and find the top part, um, the sketch, which is right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to delete all of this stuff right here. So I'm gonna select the first one. I'm gonna hold down Shift key on my keyboard. I'm gonna select the slider on the left. I'm gonna drag it all the way down. While I'm holding down the shift key, I'm gonna select the last component, and I'm gonna right click, delete. I'm gonna click on the home icon. There's that 2D sketcher that I want to work with, okay? Okay, so that's the DWG file, so I can just extrude it and make a 3D model, okay? So I can, let me extrude it real quick so you can see. So before that, I'm gonna right click, select capture design history. Now I have design history timeline right here. So I can select extrude. See, it's hard to select the profile here. See that? So I'm gonna extrude it. So I'm gonna type 18 millimeters. Operation to new component. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna turn off the sketch. Clicking this arrow, I'm gonna turn off that dim 8, dim 24, dim F, and panel 8. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it on because I want to extrude the holes. I'm gonna have through holes. Okay, so let me turn off component, and I'm gonna select extrude. I'm gonna window select the profile. I got 24 profiles selected. And I'm gonna turn my component back on. I'm gonna drag the arrow up, okay, to extrude, and I'm gonna create the through holes. See, the operation is set to cut. So I'm gonna click OK. Now I got the through holes. I'm gonna have to turn the panel 8 sketch the panel 8 sketch back on. Now I'm gonna have to extrude the grooves, right? But you see, it's hard for me to select this. So I'm gonna have to rotate the model. See, but I can't select the profile. I don't have a close profile here. So I can select this right here to extrude. So I can see it takes a lot of work to um, to work with an AutoCAD file where you import it when you import the files, a DWG file, um, into Fusion 360. So I don't want to play around with this anymore. I don't want this video to be long. So let me go back to AutoCAD. Okay, you can import these files, the DWG, but before that, let me show you the layers that I have. Because this drawing has so many layers right here, and only one layer, and one layer which is panel 3. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off panel 3. I'm gonna window select the profile. I'm gonna set the profiles to panel 3. I'm gonna close this. Go to my layers. I'm gonna go to panel 3. Turn this back on. Okay, that's what I want. So I still have the I can turn every single layer if I want. I can turn every layer off if I want. But you see, I have so many layers, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna copy these profiles, Windows select, and I'm gonna hit Control C on my keyboard to copy. Start a new drawing. Control V to paste. And I'm gonna place it right there. And I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. Now I have less layers. Okay. So if I import this into Fusion 360, I should have just this profile. So let's see that. Okay. So let me save this. Save this as drawing DWG file format, and it's gonna be drawing 4. Okay. Let's save it. I'm gonna go back to Fusion 360. Show data panel. Upload. Select files. Drawing 4. I'm gonna open it up in Fusion 360. Upload. You see, it's still taking some time to upload in Fusion 360. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna close this window. I see the sketch of the profiles that I want. So let me right click, open. Bingo, you see that? Nice and clean. So you don't see those extra sketches and components, all that stuff that you don't want. So that's one way to do that, to bring a clean um, to the sketch that you want to work with to in Fusion 360, okay? So let me show you the other, I'm going to show you that you can bring this AutoCAD file as a DXF file, okay? So let me go back to AutoCAD. I'm gonna go to top part, okay? Because this one has the layer, all of these layers right here. So I'm gonna save this as a DXF file. So I'm gonna type DXF out, hit enter, desktop. So you see it, top part DXF. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go to Fusion 360. I'm gonna go to new design, and I'm gonna select, see right here under insert tab, toolbar or menu. I'm gonna select DXF. I'm gonna select the bottom plane. I'm gonna click on this folder, and there's that DXF file. See it right here? So I'm gonna click on open. You see, it takes way faster to bring this file um, into Fusion 360 as a DXF file format, way faster than bringing this file as a DWG file. So I would do it this way. If I work with AutoCAD files at work, so I save the files. Um, I just tell the drafter or the architect to save those 2D sketches as a DXF file. So it's faster for me to import these files into Fusion 360 and start working with them. Like extrude them, the profiles, and then programming them for the CNC machine. Okay, so this is way faster. But you still don't want to deal with these extra sketches. Okay, so I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna have to look for that the top panel, which is right here. So I'm gonna zoom out, and you can just window select the other profiles that you don't want. So I'm gonna hit delete key to delete them. Let me zoom out. I got more right here, so I'm gonna window select delete key. Okay, I'm gonna click on the home icon. I got more right here. Select this, all of them right here. Delete key. Now we got deleted. I'm gonna click on the home icon. There's a profile that I want. Okay, so I can just extrude this. So let me right click. Actually, I have capture design history activated, so I don't have to activate it here. See, you see the timeline? I have it right there, so that's good. So can you extrude? It's gonna be easy to extrude these profiles. You see, I'm gonna select extrude, and I'm gonna select this profile, and this one. I'm gonna type 0.75 inches. Operation, new component. Click OK. Okay, see that? Now I got through holes. Now I can just right click, repeat extrude. I'm gonna go to sketches, turn that sketch back on. I'm gonna rotate the model and select this profile right here. And I'm gonna type minus 0.125. Actually, it's joining, so it has to be a positive value. See, that is creating it's extruding out. So I want to cut into this part, so I'm gonna have to type a positive value. So 0.125 is gonna cut into it. The operation is set to cut now. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna turn off the sketch. This is my top panel. Okay, or you can do it differently if you want. Watch this. So I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna drag this slider right here. I'm gonna go all the way back to that sketch. I'm gonna right click, delete all features after the history marker. So I'm gonna select extrude. That sketch is off, so I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna select this profile, and this one right here. And I'm gonna type minus 0.75. Operation, new component. Click OK. I'm gonna right click, repeat extrude. And I'm gonna select this profile right here for the grooves. Okay. I'm gonna type minus 0.125. It's cutting into it. See, it says cut. Click OK. I'm gonna turn off the profile, the 2D sketch. That's it. Okay. Now, let me import this file as a DXF file, but just this profile that I want, the top panel. Okay. So let me go to new design, and let me go back to AutoCAD. Okay. I got drawing 4. Okay. So I don't have that many layers. So I'm gonna have to save this as a DXF file. So I'm gonna type DXF out. I'm gonna hit enter. Desktops. I'm gonna name this drawing 5. I'm gonna save it. Go to Fusion 360, DXF. I'm gonna select the bottom plane. I'm gonna select the folder. There's a drawing file. Okay, DXF. Open, and there it is. So I'm gonna click OK. See that? Only have one layer, panel 3 layer. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna click on the home icon. Bam. There you have it. Okay. So I show you the problems that you're gonna run into when you're importing DWG files into Fusion 360. I also show you which file format uploads faster in Fusion 360. And as you saw, DXF file format was way faster. Okay, way faster than DWG file format. All right, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you this video. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.